Hello guys, my name is Arturo. This is Arturo's Crazy Life. Welcome to Monteverde, Costa Rica. Okay guys, so we finally made it to El Tigre waterfall. The road here was crazy, guys. It was a lot of big dip holes. So if you come here, you might wanna get a vehicle with a lot of clearance. We had a minivan, but thankfully it had 4x4, so we put that on and we had no issue here. We just paid. It's $33 per person, which includes coffee, drink, and they also have some walking sticks and the entrance to the trail. It's pretty much a 3-hour hike. It's a loop. I'll put in the map so you guys can see what it looks like. And it's a bunch of waterfalls, like hanging bridges. They also said that if you have the option to rent horses, if you don't want to make it, if you're too tired to come back, because everything, the first part of the trail is descending all throughout till the last waterfall, and then you come up. And at the end, you can rent horses for $23 per person, or there also is a Jeep that can bring you up here if you're too tired to make it back. Okay guys, this is where the trail begins, and we start a hike. This nice send off with flowers all around. It's pretty dope, guys. Like and subscribe! Woo! Woo! Guys, the first part of the trail is all going down, so this is pretty lit. Super easy. I'm wearing the Jesus sandals, the ultimate Jesus.
When you go up,
and we're just in this rainforest, guys. Ooh, we can hear the first waterfall. There's supposed to be, I think, like 5 or 6 waterfalls in this trail, so that's gonna be pretty nice. Gonna get some drone shots for y'all. Okay guys, so we made it to the first hanging bridge, the first waterfall. It's one person at a time when you guys cross these bridges because they do move a lot. So make sure you guys do that, but this place is absolutely beautiful, guys. Look at this. Look at the first waterfall, y'all. Just comes down from over there. You see what I'm saying, guys? The bridge does move a lot. It's a gorgeous view, guys. So nice. Woo, baby, this moves. It's rocking my world. That's my wife over there. Hi, wifey.
we've gone half a mile already.
Yeah, I know. Guys, the first little bridge thing, it's about 30 minutes from where you start. We started at 8:30 and it's about to be 9 o'clock, so 30 minutes. Second bridge and also second waterfall. Look at these, guys. It's amazing. This waterfall comes down under the bridge and goes down there. There's a bigger waterfall on that other side. So we're gonna go and see y'all. We'll have Annie over here. Hi, Annie. Guys, look at this gorgeous waterfall, y'all.
Wow.
This is beautiful. Guys, that's the bottom of the waterfall we were just at. I'm telling you guys, the views here are spectacular. The nature, like I've been saying, guys, is breathtaking. This is awesome, guys. We're in the middle of this little canyon right here. So nice. Guys, look at this huge tree. This is where the bridge is hanging into. It's hanging into the anchor right here. It's pretty nice. We have Ducky going over there. Hi, Melly. Guys, that bridge crossing was really shaky. I was trying to vlog and I'm sure you guys are gonna see it. I was like all over the place. Okay, y'all, we're crossing this bridge and this is moving, y'all. It's really a hang. Oh shit. Wow, guys, this moves a lot. But be careful when you guys come here though. Try to step in the middle of the bridge. Guys, they have walkie-talkies over here. In case of an emergency. They have, I believe, 4 of them throughout the trail. You know, just in case you guys need them. Which is pretty cool, you know, they worry about people getting hurt here. And I can see how can that happen, especially in these bridges, bro. It's super shaky. And also, it's very slippery at the bottom of the waterfall. Guys, that's another waterfall. It's pretty high up too. It's beautiful. Look at the little stream coming from the mountain. That water comes out of the earth right there, guys. Look at this. Underwater cave. It's pretty awesome now. Guys, this place is gorgeous. Look at the water there. Huge plants right behind us. Look at this. This area is just full of waterfalls and rivers everywhere. Look at this. We have that amazing waterfall coming up. And these super shaky bridges. Guys, look at this beautiful waterfall right behind me. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Guys, once you get to this little detour right here, that right there is a regular trail. And this right here is gonna lead us to this waterfall right here, which is supposed to be the nicest one. So we're just gonna keep on hiking alone. And people, there it is. The Tiger Waterfall, or like they call it over here. Okay guys, so we're at the waterfall. And look at this, everybody's just chilling, taking pictures, enjoying the water. You can feel the water. It's refreshing, you know. It's that air, that, you know, that spring water, that mountain spring water that is over here in Costa Rica. We're enjoying this. We have Mr. Eddie over here.
What's up, pura vida?
My guy was meditating.
Being a nature boy here in Costa Rica, I fucking love it. I feel like a king in this water. I just meditated down by that rock, thanking God for this opportunity. I'm so thankful for everything, guys. This is amazing. You guys gotta come to Costa Rica and visit El Tigre Waterfall.
Look at these guys. I couldn't say it better myself. Eddie just took it away and just said exactly what I was gonna say to you guys. So come and enjoy El Tigre Waterfall, y'all. Guys, we just made it to the medical center that they have over here. It's a little, you know, it's a tent. It's a dome tent. They also do the zip line bike in this area. Thank you, kind sir. And they have some watermelon for us. This is pretty awesome, y'all. Nice watermelon at the end of the walk. Well, we gotta keep on walking though. There's a nice little stop. Okay guys, so we made it to the point where they have the horses and the Jeep. It's about $20, $24 per person. They also have a bathroom right here. This is the trail to go back to the reception area. And these are the horses right here. Pretty lit. Okay guys, and with this beautiful waterfall right behind me, if you made it this far in the video, I just want to say thanks. Please hit me up with a thumbs up and the subscription button down below, and I'll see you on the next video.